Assemble according tote serial number on the back. Back display. The flowers will still being a little deformed at this point. Don't worry. Let's arrange flowers and restore beauty. The flowers at the connection of parts may be placed in the wrong position due to long transportation. So focus on adjusting the position of the flowers. After adjustment, adjust each connection position. The flowers at the base needs to be spread out along to both sides to give a perfect shape. If the white frame is exposed, gently press down the bottom layer of flowers.